Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Play Store not working in 2026. So the first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure that it is not a connection issue. The other thing that you can try and do is turn on airplane mode and turn it back off and see if Google Play Store works. The other thing you can do is head over to settings on your device, scroll down to find apps, tap on see all apps, and then scroll down to find Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Store. Sometimes you may also have to clear the storage and cache of Google Play Services. For that, tap on Google Play Services, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Services. The other reason as to why your Google Play Store may not be working is that your Android may be running an older version. For that, you can head over to Settings, tap on System Updates, and then if your Android is running an older version, you must hit Resume or Update and update your Android to the latest version. The other thing that you can also try is head over to the Quick Access toolbar, tap on the power icon, and then restart your device to see if that solves the problem. If your problem is still not solved, log out of your Gmail on all your devices and then try to log back in. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.